I can literally create a digital product on my phone, walking or running or just being outside somewhere in the forest. What's going on, guys? Ross here. In my last video, I showed you one of the newest tools out here, which is Manus AI, groundbreaking AI tool that probably is going to change the entire AI scenery. Because first, you can chat with it. Secondly, it can automate pretty much everything in your business. And thirdly, it can think on its own. So today we're going to focus how you can actually utilize it in your business. And even if you don't have a business, how to use Manus to generate online money by connecting it to your phone. Now, this is my phone screen, and earlier today I asked Manus to conduct an in-depth due diligence and research for YouTube, and I asked it through my Telegram, and these are the notifications that I got. Ross, here's your trending YouTube topics report, converting Manus AI and general AI. Click here, the bottom left corner, and click settings. The only thing you need to do is go to integrations. You have like integrations that are built with API, Slack, you have Zapier, but then you have Telegram. Click Telegram, and the actual Manus tool will walk you through how to connect your phone to Manus. And if you're already a digital marketer and you're running Facebook ads, I have already connected Manus to my Meta Ads Manager. So it gives you a bunch of analytics and a bunch of statistics, and it helps you to create high converting and more profitable ads. Now, once you connect it to your Telegram, let me open my phone. So I said start here as the actual AI walks me through. And I asked the AI to tell me, as you can see here, I asked it, tell me what are you capable of? What are the use cases? You usually ask the AI what it's capable of, so you know what you can do with it and how to optimize your work to be more efficient in our work. And here it says, here's what I can do, Ross. I can research, I can write, I can code and do web development for you, build websites, web applications, landing pages, etc. I can create mobile apps. I can create slides, I can create media, automation, schedule tasks, recurring reports, and monitoring. And then meta ads, firework diagrams, etc. I actually send a voice message. I can literally send a voice message. And the voice message was, hey, create me a landing page, a website or landing page for fashion and modeling agency. And it did create it. And then I sent a message asking it to create a report. And now we're going to continue with the agent. Hey Manus, I want to start making money with a new product, which is going to be a digital product. I'm a digital marketer. Could you please walk me through what are the best ways on creating a digital product and selling it online with meta ads or maybe with organic free traffic? Before we conduct and create the digital product, please interview me with my abilities and skills so you know what I'm capable of, so you know how or what kind of digital product I can create for what type of audience or niche. Boom. This is my voice message. Manus is typing, as you can see at the top corner. There we go. So let's see what it says. Let's figure this out, Ross. Before I recommend anything, I need to understand what you bring to the table. Let me interview you. Answer these direct questions. What specific areas of digital marketing are you strongest in? How many years of experience do you have? Do you have any existing audience? What industries or niches you have worked in? What is your budget for launching this? And how much time you can dedicate weekly to build and promote this product? So let me follow up. Hey Manus, I've been a digital marketer for 15 years now. I'm very proficient with affiliate marketing, copywriting. I work with Shopify, with WordPress. I also work with System.io, a software for funnel building. I do have an audience on YouTube, but ideally I want to create a plan for me starting without an audience. Let me know if I'm missing something. I can literally create a digital product on my phone, walking or running or just being outside somewhere in the forest. So it says good foundation, Ross. A couple more things before I build a plan. What is the budget? What is the price range you're thinking? Hey Manus, I want to launch as soon as possible. My budget is, I don't know, maybe $20 per day on ads, and the price range should be low ticket. And the niche I'm thinking of might be digital marketing, affiliate marketing. Maybe you come up with a new niche. And ideally, I want you to create a simple landing page, but study what a high converting landing page means and it looks like, and create my landing page based on what is already performing. Got it, Ross? Here is what I will do. Research the best digital product ideas for you, study high converting landing pages, and build a complete launch plan, product concept, pricing, funnel structure, ad strategy for $20 a day. And it asks me, do you want me to just skip the straight to building instead of doing the research? And for the sake of this video, I'm going to say yes. Boom. I will research high converting landing pages and build yours directly. Expect it live in about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, I know it sounds too much time for you guys, 15 to 20 minutes, but you have to understand, this AI tool takes its time to study, to learn what works, what is the best high converting landing page. It plays role as your own employee business partner, so it's going to take its own time. So let's see actually, once you have your tasks here on your phone, you can log in into the actual app, go to the agent, and you're going to see Manus working. The same message that we saw on my phone, it's right here. So it says in 15 to 20 minutes, your landing page, which is high converting landing page, is going to be ready. But you know what the best part is? We can leave this, we can leave it to work, and then I can go over to the new task right here. I can click new task. You can have multiple employees, so to speak, working together simultaneously. Here I can say, hey Manus, after the agent creates the landing page, please send an email to my business partner Mark to let him know. You probably don't see the text, but let me just move myself to let him know that the page is ready. So it can notify your entire team, it can notify your business partners, your employees, etc. Here you can see even more stuff. If you go to the skills tab, you can train the AI once and then create a skill. I've shown this in my last video. I'm actually going to link it down in the description below. You literally create skills and then you just click the skills and you have the entire conversation from before, all the knowledge that you have amassed in the previous conversations as a skill. So the AI is already trained and you don't have to explain yourself again and again and again. Another very handy option is the connections. If you click connect your own tools to Manus, you can see what you actually can work with. Like I said, it can send emails to your coworkers. You have Google Calendar, you can hook it up. You have even in video here and you have a hygiene. I use hygiene a lot. Done, Ross, everything is live. The landing page, it actually created a URL for the landing page. I don't know if you can see it. Let me just hover over it. This is the URL of the landing page that it created. The product name is the 24-hour affiliate sales machine, a low ticket $47 digital product. And it says, I've also attached the full launch plan covering your $20 a day meta ads, starting meta ad strategy, organic traffic tactics, and pretty much we have business in a plan. So first, let's click on the landing page and see how it looks like. This is the landing page. Guys, look at this. A complete landing page, get instant access, $47. You know affiliate marketing works, but you're stuck, you're out of time. Oh, look at the mockup. Look at this mockup, guys. Open in Safari so we can actually take a deeper look. Look at this. Ooh, it created mockups. I love it. I didn't ask it to. Remember, I just gave it the prompt. This is the power of Manus. I don't have to explain myself over and over again what I need, like create mockups, create images, create these subtitles, create this and that. The tool actually has the brain to think what it's needed in the landing page. Here is exactly what you get. System.io templates, email swipes, video training, what people are saying about us, commonly asked questions, everything is filled. $47. I mean, guys, this is good. This is good. So let's go back to the actual Manus chat right here. So now let's see the launch plan. This one. Let's open it. Let's actually read what it says. The 24-hour affiliate sales machine product launch strategy for Ross Minchev. This is good, guys. I mean, look at it's literally acting as your business partner who is smarter than any business partner out there. The product concept. So it's a System.io templates with 15 email swipes template with copywriting checklist, quick start video series, etc, etc. So here we have pricing and positioning. Launch price $47, regular price $67, perceived value $200. And here's the funnel structure. Traffic source, meta ads plus organic, landing page, etc, etc. Now it actually, see that? It created the ads. Ad number one, carousel ad, video ad, image ad, etc. Hey Manus, can you create a quick image describing or showcasing my digital product about 24 affiliate marketing machine, whatever? You know, I wasn't even descriptive enough. So let's see if Manus creates an image real quick. This is literally, you walk around, come up with an idea while you're walking, just talk with Manus and Manus creates it. On it, Ross, I'll generate a product mockup image for the 24-hour. Should have it ready in a couple of minutes. All right, so let's wait a little bit. And there we go. We have a complete mockup, guys. The 24-hour affiliate sales machine step-by-step profit guide with screenshots, with dashboards, with, I mean, isn't this insane? Let me know what you think, guys, in the comments below. See, like on your phone, you can pretty much run an entire business. So I think we're gonna wrap it up for today. Let me know if you want to see more stuff about Manus. Let me know if you want me to show you more features about it. For example, how to personalize it, how to go with the skills, how to update your skills, how to create skills, how to make it smarter, how to do more connections or integrate it with other stuff, and of course, how to connect your favorite softwares. If you like the information so far in this video, if you like the video, by the way, hit a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.